This is the exam review for the midterm grade 8 in chemistry. The topics covered in the exam are chapter 3 atoms, then chapter 2 the metals and non-metals, chapter 4 molecules, chapter 5 ions, and we have to study the notes and the application in the copybook, plus all the worksheets from semester 1 and semester 2. Okay, exercise 1. The section of the periodic table given below shows the placement of several elements. Number 1, give the name of the element that has the following location. Row 4, column 1. Potassium. Like he said, he wants the name. So we cannot put the symbol. You have to put the name. Okay? Hassan, row 2, column 17. Fluorine. Yes, very good. So it's the fluorine atom. Ali, determine the electronic configuration of lithium and aluminum. Now, Li in the periodic table is in row 2, column 1. So how can we find the electron configuration? For lithium. If it's in row 2, this means what? Yes, it has two shells, which are K, L. If it's in column 1, this means what? Yes, one electron on which shell? On L. So what is the electron configuration? K2L1. Good. Badia, aluminium Al is in row 3, column 13. So if it's in row 3, this means what? Yes, we have 3 shells. K, L, M. Column 13, this means what? Yes. On which energy level? On which shell? On which shell? K, L, or M? 3 electrons. On M. So what is the electron configuration? Yes. So this is how we determine. We should explain like this. Thank you. Selena, did you the atomic number for lithium? Lithium, Z is what?
Z equal number of electrons.
How much?
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Yes, we add the electrons on the energy levels. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Dana, the aluminium.
Z equal number of electrons equal 2 plus 8 plus 3 equal to 13.
Good. 2 plus 8 plus 3 equals 13. Carbon atom has 6 neutrons. So we have Z equals 6 from the periodic table. Neutrons equals 6. We need to write the atomic representation. So we find the mass number equal what? Okay. Equal 12. So now have carbon. What do we write at the bottom? At the top? 12. Good. Hassan, nitrogen atom gains 3 electrons to become nitride ion. Calculate the charge of this ion. First, we find Q the protons equal what? Yes, number of protons times plus 1. Yes, 7. Good. Q the electrons equal what? Number of electrons times minus 1 equals 10. Why it's 10 now? Because it gains 3. As an atom it had 7. After it gains 3, now it has 10 times minus 1 equal minus 10. How do we find the total charge of the ion? Q of protons plus, okay, equals minus 3. Very good. Exercise 2. The figures below present the structure of oxygen atom Z equal A and oxide ion. Ali, explain why diagram A represents the structure of oxygen atom.
Because oxygen is have the diagram A, oxygen have
8 electrons.
And after it's given the oxygen atom have
So the number of protons equal to number of what?
number of
Electrons equal to 8. So since they have equal numbers, proton and electrons, so it's an atom. Okay? But yeah, why B is an ion?
Because protons and electrons are not equal.
Good, because the protons are not equal to the electrons. You have 10 electrons and you have 10 electrons and you have 8 protons. They are not equal. Selena, calculate the electric charge of oxide ion, write its chemical symbol. Q the protons equal what?
Equals
8 times,
plus 1
okay, equals
plus
plus 8. Remember, it has 10 electrons, so Q of electrons equals
10 times minus 1
equal
minus 10.
Q of the ion equals what?
8 plus 8
Plus 8.
minus 10
Yes.
minus 2.
The chemical symbol. Yes. O minus 2. Very good. Dana, classify the oxide ion according to its charge. Is it an ion or cation?
An ion.
Why it's an ion?
Because it's like minus.
Yes, since it has negative charge. Okay. Ala, oxygen atom has 8 neutrons. Write its atomic representation or nuclide. Okay, so we need to find what? Okay, 8 plus 8 equals 16. So O, what do we write at the bottom? 8 at the top. Good. Hassan, calculate the mass of the atom.
8 mass equal 8 times 1.67.
Yes.
Times 10 minus 27.
Yes.
Equals 16 times 1.67 times 10 equals
27.62 times 10 al power minus 27 kilogram. 26 or 62? 26, sorry. 26.72. Okay, so it's 26.72. Thank you. Okay, but here, exercise 3, consider the following molecular models of certain substances. Write the molecular formula of each molecule. Ethylene.
C2H4.
Okay. Ammonia.
NH3.
Okay. Thank you. Hamad, oxygen gas.
O2,
Hydrogen gas.
H2,
Selena, water.
H2,
Selena, nitrogen gas.
N2.
Good. Okay, then part B, classify the given molecules, element, or compound. Give me the compounds first. Which molecules are compounds?
C2H4,
Okay, C2H4. What else?
NH3,
NH3,
H2O.
H2O. Why they are compounds?
Because they have different elements.
Yes, since they consist of different atoms. Consist of different atoms. Now, can you give me the elements?
O2,
Okay,
N2,
and 2.
H2.
Okay, why? Since they, yes, they consist of one type of atoms. Consist of one type of atoms. Okay. Selena, it's your turn. Ala, classify the given molecules as diatomic or polyatomic or triatomic. Also, or triatomic. So, can you give me all the polyatomic? Okay. Why they are polyatomic? Yes, more than 3 atoms. Good. Can you give me the diatomic? Okay. Why? Yes, since 2 atoms only. Last one, triatomic. Why? Yes, since 3 atoms only. Hassan, find the atomicity of ethylene and ammonia molecules. Okay, C2H4, what is the atomicity of C2H4? Yes, it's 2 plus 4 equals 6. Well, ammonia, Hassan? 1 plus 3 equals 4 atoms. Very good. Ali, how many carbon atoms do we have in 3 molecules of ethylene? So if you have C2H4 and you have 3 molecules of them, how many do we have? Yes, so 3 times 2, we get 6 atoms.